Hi friends, in this section I will be showing how we can use user data option on AWS. So just provision a new server and select links to AMI and T2 micro in this section. Here you can see that user data section. So this user data section will help us to install the server with a required extension of anything. So for example, if we need to install Apache, PHP, Docker and everything on our server, so we can define the code in user data section. So in my case, I will be installing the server with Docker, Apache, PHP and Docker Compose along with Git. So what I'm going to do is I will be defining a bash statement here. I will be so what I'm going to do is I will be going to define a bash code. So I have already prepared a bash code. So I'll be copying this one. Then pasting this in here. So you can see that here at the back the user data as a bash script. So I have used sudo. The reason I use sudo is once the server gets deployed, it won't get login as a root user. By default, we will get login as a EC2 user. So for us to get this installation successful or installation complete, we have to make sure that sudo privilege is applied. So once this is done, just click on add storage. Just add and define the storage here. Add tab, just mention the tab. Just security code, just define and security code. I will be using the one I want to use. Review launch. Just click on launch. I will be choosing the key which I have already downloaded. In your case, you can either create a new key or choose the existing one. Acknowledge this one. Click on launch instant. So actually it will take a couple of minutes for the server to get provisioned. Just wait. Here you can see that the server is deployed. So just make sure the status check initialization gets completed. Once the initialization is completed, we can connect to the server using the street here and verify whether our installation is successfully completed or not. Just wait till this one statistic is completed. So now we are going to access the server and verify if our installation had taken place correctly. So I'm going to switch the root user claim security status. Yeah, security is installed. Service Docker status. The Docker is installed. As you can see that all our installation have been completed using user data. So it will reduce our workload and everything. So we will never need to preload to the server and define the installation. Everything can be done in the user data section itself.